Well, Mav Welder family, it's Saturday. We're going to launch on Monday. I'm probably not going to see most of you guys, if any, till Tuesday. I'm looking forward to seeing you. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to email me or reach out the best way you know how. The Google Voice, unfortunately, that number was disconnected. I've got a new access number coming out, but you can always reach me at atugwell@pasadenaisd.org, or they won't let me give out my cell number, and I don't do social media. So anyway, we're gonna get it on, man. We're gonna get in the welding department soon. We got a lot of exciting stuff going on here. We've got some new metal. We've got new welding machines. We've got new exhausts. We've got really a nice place that's ready and waiting for you guys. I can't wait to get you in here and show you around. So have a good weekend, rest good, and please follow the instructions on being on time for you to your home room. That's the most important. So good luck. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.